Meet Jerry, the human NPC, master of mundane tasks. Jerry enters a room with a coffee machine. The coffee machine greets him with a cheerful hello. Jerry stares blankly, processing the interaction robotically. Coffee machine should not speak, Jerry concludes. Confused, Jerry starts pressing random buttons relentlessly. The machine responds politely. Please select size. Jerry asks, why don't other appliances talk? Jerry frowns deeply, contemplating this new reality. Machine says, features are available in newer models. Jerry sighs, continuing to press with determination. He selects a size, ignoring the machine's chatter. Would you like milk? It asks chipperly. Silence, Jerry demands, feeling overwhelmed. Machine apologizes. Input error. Please specify milk. Jerry leaves, baffled by the talking machine ordeal.